Thank you for joining today's meeting. We'll briefly present our budget proposal for the next quarter.
Good morning. Our total expenses last quarter reached 250,000 pesos. For the next quarter, we proposed 300,000 pesos to cover marketing, operations, and staff development.
From the marketing side, 80,000 will be allocated for promotion and social media campaigns to increase brand visibility.
For operations, we will need 50,000 pesos for equipment, maintenance, and 20,000 for the employee training.
I'll finalize the meeting notes and send our complete proposal to management later today.
Thank you everyone for your concise reports. That concludes our budget proposal meeting. Great job, team.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.